Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to make Instagram Reels with Canva. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to canva.com. Make sure you're logged into your Canva account so you can access all the features and save your work. Once you're on the Canva home screen, look at the left sidebar and click on the plus Create button. This opens up all the different design formats Canva offers. In the search bar that appears, type Instagram Reel and select the Instagram Reel format from the results. This automatically sets up the correct dimensions and orientation for your reel so you don't have to worry about sizing issues when uploading to Instagram later. Now you'll be in the Canva editor. Navigate to the left sidebar and click on Uploads. This is where you'll access any media files from your own computer. Next, click the Upload Files button, which will open your computer's file browser. Select the video clips or photos you want to use for your reel and click Open. These files will now appear in your Upload section, ready to be added to your project. Once your files are uploaded, simply drag your first clip onto the first page or slide in the editor. This replaces any placeholder content and starts building your reel. You can repeat this process for additional clips if you want multiple scenes in your reel. To make your reel more engaging, click Text in the left sidebar. This lets you add a text box where you can type captions, headlines, or any message you want to display. Adjust the size, font, and position of the text to match your style and make sure it's easy to read. If you want to add background music or sound effects, click Add Audio at the bottom of the video timeline. Canva gives you two options here. You can either upload your own audio file or browse through Canva's built-in music and SFX library, which offers a variety of tracks to fit different moods and themes. Before finalizing your reel, it's a good idea to preview it. Click the play button above the editor to watch your reel from start to finish. This helps you catch any timing issues, text placement problems, or audio mismatches before you download. Once you're happy with how everything looks, click the Share button in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, click Download. Make sure the file type is set to MP4 video, as this is the format Instagram accepts for Reels. Then click Download again to save the reel to your computer. This might take a few moments depending on the length and complexity of your video. After your reel is downloaded, head over to Instagram, either on the web or through the mobile app, and upload the MP4 file as a reel. You've now created a polished, professional-looking Instagram reel entirely in Canva. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.